On today's show, Barb and I are going to make a delicious honey garlic potatoes. It has a honey garlic soy glaze. It's going to be so delicious. So let's get started. Let's start out with getting our pan warmed up and some oil. I'm going to start with peanut oil today. And I'm going to put the potatoes in first thing, get them going. So I got the fire going nice and hot to get the pan hot. You know, potatoes, you have to cook them for a little bit. But if you cook them up by slicing them, they'll cook real fast for you. So here's my trick. I have 4 little potatoes. And all I do is use a slicer of some sort, like this. And put them in the pan. Probably could even do this. How's that for a trick? Okay. There we go. Then I'll get some salt and pepper on these. Potatoes take a lot of salt. And pepper. They may splash a little bit. Have a splash guard handy that you can throw on there, and no more than medium heat. They only take a few minutes and they'll cook right up. And here's Barb with the question of the day.
Do you like carrots? If you like carrots, give me a thumbs up.
One of the most important things is cornstarch. So I have the measurements of that, the garlic and the honey, low sodium soy sauce, so it's not so salty, and a little splash of apple cider vinegar. You don't have to worry about the measurements at this point because I have everything listed down there where it says the Diabetic Diet Show subscribe button. If you click that subscribe button, you'll see the more button, the ingredients, and all the instructions will be there. Potatoes are almost browned up, so we don't want to cook them much longer. Let's get these ingredients in a mixing bowl. Honey might be the hard one. It moves a little slow. Let's grab a little spatula here. Honey smells so good. Always reminds me of biscuits. When I was a kid, there was a chicken place before KFC was a chicken place that you got the biscuits and the honey, and you always had that together with your meal. It was so delicious. Okay, this is mixed. This is all you have to do. Just a light stir mix like this. Pretty simple. Let me pitch these. They're sticky. Potatoes are all done. That's all you need to do with your potatoes. And I'm happy that they have a little bit more oil on them. That's fine. Aluminum foil. That one doesn't look too good. We'll pitch that one. Sometimes they get damaged. The box. There's aluminum foil all set, ready to go. You know, aluminum foil, if it's Reynolds wrap, you want the shiny side up because they put a coating on their aluminum foil to make it cook better. and some cooking spray so nothing sticks. Then we can get these French fries, potatoes out of here. And they look like this. Okay, let them cool for a little bit. Now I'm just going to offload them into a bowl because they are definitely done. If they weren't done, you could leave them on the baking sheet and put them in the oven. Okay? There we go. Put some potatoes on here, just like that. And then, for a special treat, I melted some soft butter in the microwave. And you just pour that over the potatoes. And you get some delicious potatoes. Well, if you like shows like this, I have a couple more right here. Thanks for watching.